Hello, today we're going to show you how to install skirting boards. Let's get to it. Step 1. Prepare the wall by scraping away the irregularities. This step is not required if this is a new wall. Step 2. Determine where the wall studs are on a standard plaster wall. If I'm renovating, I know where these locations are because of the pre-existing nail holes. These will need to be transferred up above the wall skirting height. If it's a new wall, I can locate these studs with a stud finder. Step 3. Installing the first piece of skirting. We start at the doorway and work from left to right around the room, and the first piece of skirting is cut square at both ends. There are two methods of fixing skirting to the wall. You may nail it, or you may glue it. Step 4. Measuring the rest of the room. Starting at the face of the skirting, right through to the other end, which is the corner of the wall. We now have to cut a scribe on the left hand end of the skirting. We can use the traditional hand cut method, as this sample is here, or fast trim provides better quality and faster installation. The skirting is now ready for painting.